This is the only recipe you will need to cook delicious Nigerian fried rice. If you want to learn how to cook delicious Nigerian fried rice, watch this video to the end. And if you like this recipe and you like recipes like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. First, we want to start with our protein. Today we're using chicken. This is barbecue chicken. It's been marinating overnight, and I'll just pop it on my rack and put it straight into the oven for it to cook. It will cook for about 1 hour. I'll start prepping my rice. I'll heat up some oil, add my garlic paste to it, just allow it to heat up a bit. Add white onion. I love using white onion for this. Some ginger powder will go into it just to give our rice good flavor. Next is some curry powder. This is what gives it that yellow or light green color that Nigerian fried rice is known for. So you add in as much as you want. Some seasoning powder will go in, and then I'll add my rice. I'll add in my rice and just toast it a bit just to make sure that all those seasoning I've added incorporates into the rice, and I will add water. You can use meat stock for this. Adding a little salt to it and also some minced herbs. I'll just sprinkle that on top of it, and then I will cover my pot and cook it on medium heat. Next, I'll start prepping my veggies. I have some frozen carrot, peas, and sweet corn. I'll add in another batch of white onion. You need a lot of onion for this. These are the hard vegetables, so you have to let it cook for a bit. In comes the sub vegetables, bell peppers, and the spring onion. I'll just toss that a bit and I'll take it off the heat. I'll turn down my heat and I'll put in my rice again, and I'll start adding in the veggies. If you want to add a bit more oil to this, you can, but I have enough oil in my rice already, so I'm not doing that. You just need to combine the vegetables and the rice. Make sure it is evenly distributed. And there you have it. Your Nigerian fried rice is ready. You can serve it up. I'll serve it with our lovely barbecue chicken. Look at how delicious that rice looks. All you need to do now is grab a cold drink, sit down, and enjoy this wonderful Nigerian fried rice. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.